Welcome to Marian Ayurveda. In this episode, we are going to think about a condition called hyperthyroidism. When we say hyperthyroidism, as we know, in hypothyroidism, the thyroid hormone is produced in lesser amounts, whereas in hyperthyroidism, the hormone functions in excess. In a previous episode, I had talked about 7 or 8 causes of hypothyroidism. But with hypothyroidism, so far, I have only had to deal with one cause and just one type of treatment. I have seen that even with that single treatment, hyperthyroidism has reduced. In people with hyperthyroidism, the thyroid hormone is generally considered to be a very potent hormone. People with hyperthyroidism usually have bodies that feel extremely hot. They may feel as if their head is steaming, experience heat in various parts of the body, and generally suffer from severe discomfort. These are the typical experiences of hyperthyroid patients. So we can mention 2 important aspects of this. First, the disturbances that occur in our digestive system. Consuming excessive amounts of spicy and sour foods, drinking too much tea or coffee, and engaging in activities that increase body heat are some of the factors that can aggravate hyperthyroidism. Another reason, as mentioned, is psychological factors. We also see hyperthyroidism in people who experience excessive mental stress. Therefore, by addressing both of these causes, we can effectively reduce the condition known as hyperthyroidism. In patients with hyperthyroidism, if you touch the thyroid gland and compare it with other parts of the body, you will often notice that it produces more heat. That means the thyroid gland becomes extremely hot. So that's why applying cooling oils to the head and the thyroid gland can quickly reduce this excessive heat. And as a result of this overactivity, more thyroid hormone is produced in hyperthyroidism. We are able to reduce the activity of this hormone. Similarly, if there is excessive tension in the body, we can reduce that tension. If it is something like acidity, we can reduce the acidity. Through medications taken internally, we are able to reduce the activity, the excessive activity of the thyroid gland. In the same way, treatments in Ayurveda like Shirodhara and head massage have been found to be very effective for hyperthyroidism. Similarly, we have often found that many home preparations and medicines made with ghee are effective in this condition. But not everyone needs that. That is something we decide after assessing the specific condition of the thyroid. So hyperthyroidism is actually a disease that can be treated quite easily. The one thing that patients need to pay attention to is maintaining some dietary restrictions, controlling excessive spicy and sour foods, minimizing mental stress as much as possible, making sure to get enough sleep on time, and eating meals on time. By following all these, hyperthyroidism is a disease that can be completely managed. We'll meet again in another episode. Thank you.